Cruz, and I will be teaching you about congruent angles. Okay, if you look closely in the figure, we're given this. Angles ABC is congruent to angle DBE. But we have to prove that angle ABD can be congruent to angle CBE. What we'll be needing is angle addition postulate, congruent angles, and transitive property. For the problem, I'm going to show you examples of the concepts we're going to use. Okay, now for the angle addition postulate, this is how I'm going to explain it. So as you see from the given, it's G. You can add GIE to angle CIG to make angle CIE. CIE is the total of angle GIE and CIG together. Congruent angles are easy to explain because the measure of the angles are equal. Transitive property is also another concept you can use for congruent angles. It states that if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A can also be equal to C.
Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm gonna solve Fonz's problem. We start with the given, which is angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. Next, we can get the definition of congruent angles, which means that the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle DBE. As you can see in the figure, the measure of angle CBD plus the measure of angle DBE would be equal to the measure of angle CBE due to the angle addition postulate. Another instance from the example given is that the measure of angle ABC plus the measure of angle CBD would be equal to the measure of angle ABD using the angle addition postulate. You can also see that the measure of angle CBD is equal to the measure of angle ABC, and if both are added, it will be equal to the measure of angle CBE due to the substitution property. There, we can see that the measure of angle CBE is equal to the measure of angle ABD thanks to the transitive property. We're almost done. Basically, all we have to do now is to reverse these two to get angle ABD is equal to angle CBE due to the symmetric property.